To improve battery life on AirPods Pro 3, first of all, start by opening System Settings on your iPhone, go into the AirPods Pro, and now to improve that battery life, we have to actually deactivate some features. So first of all, just make sure that you have turned off the hearing assistance. Next, when you scroll down, it will be also pretty good if you get rid of camera remote option. So just simply select off. Now turn off the personalized volume, conversation awareness, and right now you will have to go below. It will be also really good if you deactivate the spatial audio. Now when we go below, get rid of the head gestures, and over here I will recommend you to turn off the charging case sounds because it's draining battery of your charging case a little bit. And over here I will also recommend you to turn off the heart rate sensor. And that's basically everything. This is like no any other way to improve battery life. We just have to turn off some features, and then it will actually improve the listening time of this device. But of course we'll be not able to use some features like, for example, the heart rate sensor and other things. And that's pretty much it for this video. It's actually quite simple to improve that. Let me know if it works, if you find it useful, and hit the like button.